Hello guys, welcome to this video. कैसे हैं आप लोग? So in this video, I am going to show you how to do product research. मैं कैसे प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च करता हूँ वो मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगा लाइव अभी. So मैं अभी इस वीडियो में I will show you guys step by step how to do the product research. What are the things that you have to use? Okay, I am going to use some tools here as well as the method is completely free. Okay, so after watching this video I am sure you will be able to find great products by using this method. So right now I will just jump to my computer. Okay, I won't waste any further time. I'll just jump to my computer and show you guys exactly what this product research method is and how it works. ये कैसे काम करता है, ये आप कैसे यूज करेंगे ये प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च मेथड. मैं अभी जाके मेरे कंप्यूटर में जाके आपको दिखाऊंगा. Hello guys, so this process starts like this. You have to come to Google and then search here hobbies list. Okay, then you have to open this Wikipedia link here. This will show all the hobbies. Okay, all small and big hobbies. Okay, then we are actually going to find those products that are related to this hobbies, that is basically that are related to this search term. Okay, so now here you can see there is a lot of hobbies here that we can use as a keyword to actually find out. Okay, now we are going to use something like this. Suppose this is meditation. Okay, we are going to use meditation accessories, something like those. Okay, so like if you see here, okay, plastic art, there is some here also. Let's do this. Okay, kite flying. So I have typed in kite flying, and then you will see Amazon is suggesting a lot of keywords here. Okay, so what you can do is you can either search accessories or you can actually click this one by one. Okay, first we'll do with the first search term, kite flying thread, and then what I will do here is I'll just hit this helium 10's X-ray. So I'm doing this because they will tell the sales of the this product. Okay, there are all the sales here. So there are a few of them which has some sales. Okay, so this one is getting 100 sales, and if you see how much reviews they have is, okay, so it will also show the reviews as well. Okay, so looks like this category don't have that much of reviews, like that much of sales. Here is a product that has some sale around 270, though it is actually less than 10 sales per day. And the review is not that high, 137 reviews. Okay, this is the product you can see. Okay, this is the product. The price is obviously very low, which you shouldn't consider. Okay, now we will actually go and look at the next keyword that Amazon was suggesting. Okay, it is kite flying gloves. Let's do this. So here are some products that have good sales. Okay, this one has good sale, this one as well as this one. Let me just arrange it based on sales. So this shows, I think this particular niche has some good amount of sales. Okay. So here you can see there is some good amount of sales here. This product has some good amount of sales. Okay. So here it is a really good amount of sales here. The revenue is around 7 lakhs. You can see this is around 7 lakhs. And obviously every product can be different. You have to go and look at the product. Okay, review count is also high for this. Okay, so maybe we can avoid this niche. Okay, and also the price isn't that good. This one is good price, but the rank is very high. So let's try to look for another hobby. Okay, let's try something here. Let's do this one. Let's try with just the keyword. Okay. The BSI is very high, obviously. So here have some sales. Okay, this should have some sales. Let's just go and do the X-ray. So here I think few products are there with a very good sales. Okay, so they are doing not that high revenue, but around 2 lakhs in revenues. Okay, and if we look at the reviews here, so the reviews are actually a little bit high for the first three competitors and this one, but the rest are not that high. Okay, now this is not the best product that you should actually go for. Okay, let's try to look for another category. So let's try to see some products here. Okay. So this is a good product. As you can see, the rating is also low, as well as your BSR is also good. That means it is getting good amount of sales. If you can check, okay. So the name is Luxor One Piece Microfiber, and the A sign is B07SZ. If you can check that out, okay. So this particular category has good amount of sales, but we are looking for that one Luxor. So this is the one, okay, and it is getting on 143 in sales. The share sales, it is showing this, which is not that high according to me. Okay, let's try another hobbies. Okay, if you see this one, okay, so here the BSRs are actually really good. Okay, so the reviews are a little bit high for this one, and this one the review looks not that high. The price is also good. Okay, here also the reviews where your BSR is very good. The rating is not that high. This is a kind of a good product to enter, maybe good market. Okay, so here you see it has only 62 reviews, and the your rating is BSR is around 2,500, which means it is getting a lot of sales, close to 25-30 sales. Okay, per day. So if We just go and look. Okay. So this market looks like there is some good amount of sales in this market. Okay, this particular accessories. Okay, so this sewing thing is actually I think this sewing thing is actually doing good. Okay, so there are some good sales there. Okay, the prices may not be that high, but still there are high price products. Okay, if you are that kind of person that jumps into a low price product, then it can be a good market for you. Okay, as well as this is a good product to enter with 6,000 in home and kitchen. Okay, and 205 in rating, which is not that high according to me. It should be 3.8 star. Okay, so it is 4.2 star. Okay, and they are not actually pushing this. Okay, they are not doing any effort to increase that, because with few more reviews it will actually show 4.5 star. Okay, so why they are not doing that, I don't know. Okay, if it is 4.3, then it will show 4.5 star, but they're not pushing one to get one or two reviews more, and that will actually drive more sales. If they push few more reviews, positive reviews, then they will get like it will show here as 4.5 star. If they get 4.3 rating. Okay, so we can actually look for another category as well. Okay. No, the BSRs are not that great here. Okay, the BSRs are not that great here. That can actually stop us and check the other products. Okay, let's try to look at the second page if we can find something. This one is actually 2,600 in BSR. That is good, but the price is very low. And this one is also good with 1,000, so 1,900 BSR. That means it is getting close to 30, 40 sales per day. Okay, and the rating you can actually compete if you differentiate a little bit. You can actually compete with these review numbers easily. Okay, because I have competed with someone that had got 2,000 reviews as well, and I still dominate the market. Actually, you have to give some time into this. Okay, then you will find more better products into this. Let's try to look at the sales. Okay, so here as you can see there are few products that is getting really good sales. Okay, like 1,500, 1,600 in sales. Okay, if you check the reviews numbers. Okay, if you check the review numbers, let me just show you the review numbers. Okay, the reviews here you see it is 175 reviews and it is getting 640 sales per month. It is getting 1,500 sales per month with 59 reviews only. Okay, and here it is generating 4 lakhs in revenue with 52 uh, here should be a review count. Yeah, 52 reviews. Okay, with 4 lakhs in revenue with just 52 reviews. So you can see all these product research methods you can use. Okay, now they can take a little bit time. Okay, because there are so much hobbies, but that is how you get more deep into niches, more deep into those niches where other people are not doing those. Okay, and maximum people won't actually take the time. Just use a product research tool like something like
paid tool and just typing some parameters like reviews, how much reviews they want, how much revenue that they want, how much sales they want, how, and maximum people actually put the same metrics, same parameters. So it is a very good chances that the product that you are actually searching, other people are actually searching the same product and they're getting those products in the same search result. So by using these methods, a lot different methods, and more going more deep into the niches, you will find products with a low, very low your competition and very high demand as well. Okay, so let's try to look at another one. Okay, now some of the categories may not be that popular in India, but you can see some products. Okay, that can be good. So so if you look here, there can be some products. Okay, let's see. The BSRs are actually ranging very high, which is a bad thing to enter. Okay, this BSRs in garden, maybe you will get good sales under 500 BSR. Okay, over that, it is very hard to get good sales. I don't think camping is that famous in India. Let's try to see this one. So this numbers are basically their main hobbies. Okay, and the bottom one that is showing this hobbies, this one, this is actually the other one that are more broad. Okay, like not that what I will say, not that famous type of niches. Okay, again, this is a product with a very good BSR. Okay, this is getting a very good amount of sales. So you can see we have actually getting close to a lot of products. Okay, now this method actually takes some time, and you have to look at those hobbies and take the time to do the research as well. But when you do that research, you will be confident that there will be very less competition, and the competition will be like your product will be dominated after a very long time. It will take a lot of time to actually get dominated. Okay, like other competitors will jump, will not easily jump into this product. Okay, let's look at this. Let's make it our last one to do. Okay. Now, if like you can also not use this helium test one, but I am just using to actually save some time. Okay, you cannot use that. If you have the knowledge of how like which BSR is equals to how much sales, you can actually use like do not use any paid tool as well. Okay, and if you want to use the helium 10, you can just use my coupon code that is displaying in the screen right now. It will save you 50% off in your first month. Okay. So here you can see these are some good products here. Okay, these are some unique products that you can enter here, like this one ear pump, and here as well. Okay, now this is a good product. It looks like with a good BSR as well, and here is also a good product. Okay, For paid supply as well, I think the sales are not that high over 1000 or 700. Okay, because it is not that big category. So we have actually got a few products that have really high sales as well, but it will take a lot of time to actually find the right one. Okay, do not just take one. Okay, short out at least 20 to 30 products out of this, then a short one or two that you will be launching. Okay, do not just jump on the first product that you see. Okay, here you see this is a very good BSR that can be launched. Okay, BSR with a very less reviews as well. So these are good products that can be launched. We found some in the previous pages as well. Okay, here also, and this is a your method that takes some time, but the products that you will get will have very less competition, high demand, as well as there will be very less chance that the competition will jump very sooner. Okay, it will take a lot of time for the competition to actually jump into this market, and you should actually differentiate from the starting to actually save from, if suppose any competitors jump, then also you will have the advantage of coming first and getting all those reviews, as well as if you're differentiated, then you will be dominating that market for a like maximum time. So yeah, that is a method, that this is a mainly a free method that I was thinking to show you guys. Okay, and if you're interested to purchase Helium 10, you can actually use my coupon code that is displaying right now in the screen. It will save you 50% on the first month, as well as if you're interested in learning more product research methods from me, you can actually join my private level machines course. It's a step-by-step program for beginners as well as for advanced sellers. You can also do that. So that's it, guys, for this video. And if you're interested, you can join today's live session that is going to happen at 9:30. Okay. So that's it, guys. I'll see you again on next video.
So that's it for this video, guys, and I hope you will really like this video, and make sure to comment below what are the things you want me to actually cover in this video. Okay, if there is any other thing that I have missed and you want me to cover, just let me know in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys again in next video.